Welcome to this video on Oracle Private Cloud Appliance. In this video, you'll learn how to manage volume groups by creating, adding, removing, cloning, and finally terminating a volume group. The block volume service provides you with the capability to group together multiple block volumes in a volume group. You can use volume groups to create volume group backups and clones that are point in time and crash consistent. Let's get started and create a volume group. I have already installed the OCI CLI, so please refer to the video, configure the OCI CLI video. I have also already created 3 volumes. To learn more how to create volumes, please see the video Managing Block Volumes. First, let's view the 3 available block volumes by running the command OCI bv volume list -- availability - domain, the name of the availability domain, -- compartment - ID, and the OSID of the compartment. After running this command, the results show that there are 3 available block volumes, which are my-bv-01, my-bv-02, and my-bv-03. The next step is to create a volume group by running the command OCI bv volume group create -- availability domain, the availability domain name -- compartment ID, the OCID of the compartment -- source details, and then the JSON string of the volume OSIDs to include. After creating the volume group, you can verify the new volume group was created by turning to the web interface. From the dashboard, click on the menu, then Block Storage, and then Volume Groups. As you can see, the new block volume group called my-vg-01 was created and contains 2 volumes, my-bv-01 and my-bv-02. Next, let's add one additional block volume to the volume group. To add a third block volume to the volume group, you need to click the Add Block Volumes button. Then select the compartment, in this case Docs, followed by selecting the volume my-bv-03 from the drop-down menu. Next, click the button Update Volume Group to add the third block volume to the volume group. As you can see, my-bv-03 was added to the volume group. You can also remove a volume from a volume group. Let's remove my-bv-01. Click the menu, then Block Storage, then Volume Groups. Click on my-vg-01. Scroll down to the bottom. And under Actions, click the 3 buttons and then Remove, followed by clicking the Confirm button to remove the volume my-bv-01. And you can see the volume my-bv-01 was removed from the volume group. You can also create a clone from a volume group. Cloning enables you to make a copy of an existing volume group without needing to go through the backup and restore process. A cloned volume group is a point-in-time, direct disk-to-disk deep copy of the source volume group. So all the data that is in this source volume group is copied to the cloned volume group. Any subsequent changes to the data on the source volume group are not copied to the clone. Let's now clone our volume group. Under Resources, click Volume Group Clones. Click Create Volume Group Clone. Enter the required information, volume group clone name, my-vg-02. Let's use the default compartment Docs. Click Create Volume Group Clone. After a few seconds, a new volume group clone is created. And then lastly, you can delete a volume group. Click on Controls and then select Terminate. Click Confirm to confirm the termination of the volume group. After a few seconds, the volume group is terminated. Let's confirm by clicking on Volume Groups in the breadcrumb path As you can see, my-VG-01 was terminated. For more information, please check our additional information on Oracle Private Cloud Appliance documentation or in the Oracle Private Cloud Appliance Learning Library. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.